Soaring to success, making money with drone photography, especially for TGI Mini owners. The tiny but mighty TGI Mini drone packs a powerful punch for photographers. Its compact size and high-quality camera make it ideal for capturing stunning aerial shots. But what if you could take your passion to the next level and turn your drone photography skills into a revenue stream? This article, created with the assistance of AI and some very smart smartphones, explores various ways TGI Mini owners can leverage their drone for financial gain. Monetizing your drone photography. Several exciting opportunities await TGI Mini pilots seeking drone photography income. Here are some popular avenues to consider. Stock photography. Sell your captivating aerial photos and videos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. These platforms connect you with a vast audience of businesses and creatives needing high-quality drone footage. Research popular themes in your area and capture captivating landscapes, cityscapes, or unique landmarks. Real estate photography. Elevate real estate listings with breathtaking aerial views showcasing properties and their surroundings. Partner with local real estate agents to offer drone photography services. Highlight stunning backyards, expansive views, or unique property features that standard ground shots might miss. https://m.youtube.com/watch. V equals 3pox4lptli. Event photography. Add a new dimension to weddings, concerts, or other special events by incorporating captivating drone footage. Capture the grandeur of a wedding venue, the energy of a concert crowd, or a unique perspective of a sporting event. Partner with event planners or directly approach potential clients. Resources for TGI Mini owners. To embark on your drone photography business journey, here are some valuable resources. Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) ensure you comply with all FAA regulations for commercial drone use. The FAA offers a comprehensive guide for obtaining your remote pilot certificate. https://www.faa.gov/us/commercial_operators/become_a_drone_pilot. Drone Launch Academy. This online platform provides educational courses specifically tailored to drone photography businesses. Learn essential skills like marketing, pricing your services, and post-processing techniques. https://courses.dronelaunchacademy.com/. Local photography groups. Network with established photographers in your area. Gain valuable insights, build relationships, and potentially find collaborative projects. Taking flight with your TGI Mini. By honing your drone piloting skills, mastering drone photography techniques, and utilizing the available resources, you can transform your TGI Mini into a tool for financial success. Remember, safety is paramount. Always fly responsibly and adhere to local regulations. With dedication and creativity, the sky's the limit for your drone photography business. Disclaimer: this information is intended for general informational purposes only and should not be construed as professional advice. Hope this helps you get started, Matt.